Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging hybrid Jazz Crosstar. Now it is finished in by far the best colour in my honest opinion. It is the premium crystal red. It also has got the two-tone roof as well, which is the black. We've then got the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in. But most importantly, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can see the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Moving around to the rear now. As you can see, we've got 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got a nice little reversing camera just up there, which does make this thing a doddle to park. We've then got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats in the back as well, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Moving out and round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you can see we do have the cloth grey. You've also got a Isofix mounting points down at the bottom, and you've also got accenting white and black cloth as well. You've got full electric windows all around. Keyless entry and keyless start. And as we get inside the car, I'll start in the middle. You can see we do have your electric handbrake with brake hold. Got your ECON and then your eCVT gearbox. We've got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats. And then we've also got your 10-inch display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, FM, Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it does also come with many other great sources, as you can see just there. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we have got your audio controls on the left with your track select and your volume. We've then got your voice assistant, and then the return, bezel, and the home button on the left hand side does control your onboard computer. On the right hand side, we've got your speed limiter and cruise control. They obviously sets the speed and resets it after you have potentially pressed the brake. You then got your distance control and lane keep assist, and the little button in the middle does turn the cruise control on or off. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 5,187 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.